This is Excel Pro Tips. Do more in less time. Presented by TruePeak Solutions, and I am David Zvirenko. Today's tip is about pulling data from another spreadsheet. Sometimes you may find a situation where you have two spreadsheets and you have some data in the second spreadsheet that you want to add to your first. But you need to do it in such a way that it matches a specific record in the first spreadsheet. So let's dive in and let me show you what I mean. I have my spreadsheet here that's a list of California public school districts. And I would like to bring in data related to enrollment at these districts. But I need to do it obviously in a way that would match the correct district in this list. So Excel has a function called VLOOKUP, which allows you to look up, based on a unique identifier, information from a secondary spreadsheet and bring it into your first. Here's how we would do this. First, you need to identify what will be your unique identifier between the two lists or the two spreadsheets. In my case, I'm going to use the district name as the unique identifier. My list or my spreadsheet with the enrollment data is here in sheet 4. And you'll notice that I have the district name here and the enrollment numbers. And so then I can match on the district name to bring over the enrollment numbers. I'm going to add a blank column to the right of the district name. I'm going to call it enrollment. And then I will navigate to the function icon. We look for VLOOKUP. Search for that function, and there it is. Click OK. So the lookup value is going to be that matching value, that piece of data that's going to match the two lists. And so in our case, that is the district name. Then the table array is the source spreadsheet. So we're going to go to sheet 4, and we're going to highlight the two columns. And then the column number is going to be the column that we're going to bring back. So in this case, that's the enrollment column, and in this spreadsheet, it's column number 2. We click in here, type in number 2, and then the range lookup is going to be false. This is important to ensure that a unique match is found. If we put true, then it will just look for the closest match, not not a full match. And so we put false here. We get a little preview. It's pulling in a number. Click OK. And so there is the enrollment data for ABC Unified. Let's copy that down. Looks like we missed a few. Oh, that's because those are not districts, those are county offices. So we missed, there were not matches for these other districts in our source data. And that's okay for this demonstration. We'll leave it as it is. The other final concluding step is to eliminate the link between this spreadsheet and our source spreadsheet. Sometimes you want to leave those two linked with this VLOOKUP formula, but other times you want to go ahead and sever that link in order to ensure that if the other spreadsheet is deleted or moved to another location, you don't lose the data in your destination spreadsheet. So we do that by copying these cells and then pasting them right in place, but doing so as values. And so then it eliminates the formula and retains the actual data, which is the enrollment number. And that's it for this tip. If you've enjoyed it and found it helpful, please share it with a colleague or a friend.